Daniel, this coffee shop looks really nice.
Yes, it does. Let's go inside and order something.
I'd like to try something new today.
Then you should look at the menu first.
There are so many choices.
Yes, they have coffee, tea, and cold drinks.
What do you usually order?
I usually get a cappuccino.
Is a cappuccino sweet?
Not usually. It has a strong coffee flavor.
I think I want something less strong.
You could try a latte.
What's the difference between a latte and a cappuccino?
A latte has more steamed milk and usually tastes milder.
That sounds perfect for me.
Then a latte is a good choice.
I also want something to eat.
They have sandwiches, cakes, and pastries.
Do they have anything with chocolate?
Yes, there are chocolate muffins over there.
I'd like a chocolate muffin.
Good choice. I might get one too.
Should we order now?
Yes, let's go to the counter.
Excuse me, can we order here?
Yes, this is the ordering counter.
I'd like a medium latte, please.
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
I'd like it hot, please. And can I also have a chocolate muffin?
Of course. Would you like the muffin warmed up?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Anything else?
No, that's all for me. How much is it?
Your total is $12.
This coffee shop is really cozy.
Yeah, I like it. It's quiet enough to actually have a conversation.
I'm glad we came here. I needed a break.
Same here. I've been tired all morning. Excuse me, is everything okay with your order?
Yes, everything is great. Thank you.
Would you like anything else?
Maybe one more thing. Do you have fresh muffins?
Yes, we have blueberry, chocolate chip, and banana muffins.
They all sound good.
Which one would you like?
I think I'll go with the blueberry muffin.
Sure, I'll bring one over for you.
I hope it's good.
Blueberry muffins are usually a safe choice. Yeah, I once had a blueberry muffin that was so dry, I needed another coffee just to finish it. It was basically a muff-shaped biscuit.
That sounds terrible. Now I'm worried about my muffin.
Don't worry, this place looks more professional than that.
You're just trying to make me feel better.
Maybe a little.
By the way, how do you usually take your coffee?
Usually with a little milk. Nothing too complicated.
I like mine a little sweeter.
I noticed. You added enough sugar for 3 people.
What about tea? Do you ever drink it?
Sometimes, especially when I'm at home.
I drink tea when I want to relax.
Coffee wakes me up. Tea tells me to slow down.
I think coffee and muffins are a perfect combination.
Definitely.
Do you usually have breakfast?
Not always. Sometimes I just grab coffee and leave.
That's not a very good breakfast.
I know. I'm working on it.
You should try the chocolate chip muffin next time.
Now you're making me hungry again.
Good. That means my plan is working.
What plan?
To make you order another muffin.
You're very convincing.
I know.
Here's your blueberry muffin. Would you like anything else?
No, thank you. We're good for now. See? Coffee and muffins are a perfect match.
I'm starting to agree with you.
We should come here again sometime.
Definitely.
Deal. But next time, you're choosing the flavor.
Okay, but don't blame me if I choose chocolate.
Today, we practiced English at a coffee shop. We learned how to order coffee and food politely. Remember to use phrases like, "I'd like a latte, please." You can also ask, "Can I pay by card?" Practice these sentences until they feel natural. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to Master English channel and keep practicing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.